In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily uninstall apps in iPhone. So I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm going to do is find the app that I want to remove. I'm just looking through my home screen until I see the app I no longer need. Once I found it, I'm going to press and hold on that app icon for a moment. You want to keep your finger there just long enough for the menu to appear. Now that the menu has popped up, I can see a few options on the screen, and the one I'm looking for is Remove App. So I'm going to tap on Remove App. As soon as I do that, another prompt appears to make sure I really want to continue with removing it. At this point, I'm going to choose Delete App to confirm. Once I tap Delete App, the iPhone removes that app from the device. That's really the whole process. It only takes a few taps, and once you know where the option is, it becomes very quick to do anytime you want to uninstall something. I'll just go through that again while I'm here so it's easy to follow. First, I found the app I wanted to remove, then I pressed and held the app icon until the menu showed up. After that, I tapped Remove App, and then I selected Delete App to confirm. That final Delete App tap is what actually uninstalls the app from the iPhone. If you're following along with me on your own phone, just make sure you're pressing and holding the app icon long enough for the menu to appear. If you let go too quickly, it may not open the options right away, so just hold it for a second until you see the menu. Once that appears, the rest is very simple. So I'm still here on the screen where the app was, and once I confirm Delete App, the icon disappears. That's how you know the uninstall worked. If the app is gone from the home screen after you confirm, then it has been removed from the iPhone. This is one of the easiest ways to uninstall apps because you can do it directly from the home screen without going through settings or extra menus. You just find the app, hold it, choose Remove App, and then confirm with Delete App. It's very direct, and it works well when you already know exactly which app you want to remove. If you need to remove more than one app, you can repeat the same steps again for each one. Just go to the next app, press and hold it, tap Remove App, and then choose Delete App to confirm. So once you get used to this, it becomes a really quick way to clean up your iPhone and get rid of apps you don't want anymore. I'll say the path one more time just to keep it really clear. Find the app you want to uninstall, press and hold it, tap Remove App, and then tap Delete App to confirm. That's all there is to it. There are no extra settings to change, and there's no save button after that. The app is removed as soon as you confirm the deletion. So if you are trying to figure out the fastest way to uninstall an app on iPhone, this is a very simple way to do it. Everything happens right from the home screen, and you don't need to open anything else before getting started. Once that's done, you can go back to using your iPhone normally, and the app you removed will no longer be there. So that's how to easily uninstall apps in iPhone. Just press and hold the app you want to remove, choose Remove App, and then choose Delete App to confirm. That's the full process from start to finish.